How to use crapfixer 1.30 in Windows 11 25h2. Hello friends, crapfixer is a useful tool to clean up, optimize and speed up Windows. A new version of this tool, crapfixer 1.30, is compatible with Windows 11 25h2. You can download the tool from GitHub and use it to boost the experience and performance of your system. Here is how to use this tool. Go to the video description and click on the link to crapfixer. You will reach this page. After clicking on the link, click on this link, crapfixer.zip. Once downloaded, click on this folder icon. Click on extract all, extract, launch crapfixer.exe. Double click on this file, click on more info and select run anyway. Here is the tool. On the application, select the options suitable for your computer. You can disable or enable any of the options by checking and unchecking the boxes. For example, if you don't want to make changes in Microsoft Edge, simply uncheck this box. We would recommend to read the options thoroughly. Basic disk cleanup, WinGet app updates, BSOD details instead of sad smiley, enable verbose logon, status messages, speed up shutdown time, disable network throttling, optimize system responsiveness. You can see several options in the list. Check the boxes as per your preferences. After checking the options, click on Run Fixer. Since the basic disk cleanup is checked here, so disk cleanup settings window will appear. Check all the boxes here and click on OK. Then click on Run Fixer again. If you mistakenly make any changes that you don't want, then simply restore using this button. From extensions, you can clear icon cache by clicking on Run. This way, you can optimize the Windows 11 25h2 PC using crapfixer 1.30.243. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.